Welcome to a new era of market efficiency. I'm a dedicated EMA, exponential moving average, trader, but I don't just watch the crosses, I act on them with algorithmic precision. My core focus is on leveraging the EMA ribbon signals to identify high probability entry and exit zones in Zost Gold. However, the real edge comes from automation. I transform these proven technical rules into reliable, high speed trading bots. This synergy allows for Irubathinanthi in ear scanning, removes human emotion from trade execution, and ensures every valid signal defined by my EMA strategy is captured instantly. Join me live as we analyze backtest performance and implement smart, automated trading solutions designed to maximize consistency and maximize returns. Disclaimer: before we dive deeper, this is not trading advice. My live trades and automation signals are simply demonstrations of my EMA methodology. You must exercise your own due diligence. Take on trades at your own risk. Losses are an inherent part of the market, and I hold no liability for your personal financial outcomes. Let's learn together, but remember, your capital is yours to protect who. Thank you for joining today's live trading session. We witnessed the power of the exponential moving average strategy once again, demonstrating how technical rules, backed by intelligent automation, can bring consistency to the demanding gold market. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this stream with your trading community, and subscribe so you never miss a signal. I will see you in the next session. Keep compounding those gains.